Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Organized with Joy, and welcome to another Thoughtful Thursday video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than my past Thoughtful Thursday videos. If you've been around for a while, then you know that these Thursday videos, I just sit down and have a chat with you. But as I've looked over my analytics, these Thursday videos do not perform as well as my other videos, which include organization and decluttering and cleaning. And I know a lot of people come to my channel for that sort of motivation and inspiration. So in the new year, I have decided to add this organization and decluttering and cleaning motivation alongside my Thoughtful Thursday videos. So what that's going to look like is I will either do a voiceover, or I will sit down and be folding laundry or doing some other sort of chore while I talk, so that you can hear the information that I want to share with you, the topic of the Thoughtful Thursday, and then on top of that, you'll get some motivation. I would love for your feedback. If this is the type of video you enjoy, please let me know. If you liked this sit down format and you missed that, let me know that too. I really appreciate any of your feedback. All I'm trying to do is reach more people and just inspire more people with these Thoughtful Thursday videos. So my first Thoughtful Thursday video for the new year, I'm going to be talking about stop making excuses. And we will get into that while I clean out my refrigerator and freezer. So I hope you enjoy these thoughts that I have on stop making excuses, and I hope you enjoy and are motivated by me cleaning out my refrigerator and freezer. So before I get into my Thoughtful Thursday thoughts, I just want to say I know that this refrigerator and freezer don't look terrible, but that is the value of having an organized space, is that it makes it a lot easier to clean up whenever you need to get things cleaned up. So like I said, I want to talk about stop making excuses in this Thoughtful Thursday video. And when I say that, to me, it sounds a little bit harsh, and I don't want it to come across that way. I also want to preface this with a disclaimer that I totally get that there are times in life when you need to back away from something or set boundaries, or circumstances prevent you from following through on goals. I thought that the beginning of the year would be a good time to address this because many of us feel like the new year brings a fresh start and we're ready to achieve goals and to follow through on our New Year's resolutions. But sometimes, and maybe oftentimes, people don't stick to their goals or their resolutions because of excuses. When you have a goal in life, it is not always going to be easy to take all of the micro steps it takes to get to the bigger goal. There will be days where you just don't feel like it, you feel tired, you feel overwhelmed, or maybe you even feel like giving up. It's in those moments that you have to combat the excuses you make to not take the steps you need to on that day. Goals are almost always about everyday practices that will result in something bigger down the road. Each day or at each step where we make an excuse and not follow through, it'll be easier the next time to make another excuse. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you work at it, the easier it becomes over time. Unfortunately, I think it is far too easy to fall out of discipline than it is to work towards it. Sometimes we set goals because we see what others have achieved and we are inspired by that. And I think it's great to be inspired by others. However, be careful not to compare yourself or your journey to someone else's. When we do this, I think it's easy to get down on ourselves and where we are in our journey. When this happens, I think it is more likely that you will start to make excuses as to why you can't follow through. Maybe what the other person has already achieved seems so far out of reach to you. You need to focus on your own journey and the day in and day out behaviors that will lead to your goal. I encourage you to listen to your inner voice and the things that you're saying to yourself. Oftentimes, we don't actively listen to our own thoughts. They happen almost subconsciously. When you start paying attention to what your inner voice is saying to you, you can start countering the negative thoughts with positive ones. When you think of an excuse as to why you can't do something, think instead of why you can do it. Dear friend who is watching this, I just want you to be encouraged today. I want you to be inspired. I want you to know that you truly can achieve your goals. Break them down into little tiny steps and you will get there. But I believe in you. If you haven't heard that today, I want to say it again. I believe in you. If no one else is saying that to you in your life, I want to say it to you. I believe in you. We got this. Well, that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope it was inspiring and motivating for you today. I always love hearing from you in the comments, so please let me know your thoughts on this topic and let me know what you thought about this format of these Thoughtful Thursday videos heading into the new year. Thanks, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.